What's up, YouTube? Here working on red. I know I hadn't posted a lot of videos. I've been real busy trying to work and trying to get red working. Now yesterday I took off and had a sick day, so I'll tell y'all what I did yesterday. So anyway, when we left off, I couldn't get the sniper to control timing because, well, they don't really explain it very well. So anyway, I had to put my 6AL box back in. And if y'all seen the video, the short from yesterday, you saw the truck runs just fine. Mostly. I gotta do a little more tweaking on stuff. But if we look down here in the very bottom of the engine compartment, let's see if I can zoom in. See, I had to put a new starter on it. Yeah, I had to remove the header yesterday. That was fun. Took me like 3 hours to replace the starter. So what are we doing this evening before the live? Maybe I can get some of it done, but I'm gonna have to get ready for the live at 8 o'clock. Be on the live. If you want to be on my live, be on the live. Anyway, let's turn around and take a look. Here's the battery. Now then, the battery does not have a hold down on it. And I had to buy a new battery because, well, I'm stupid. Remember? I'm stupid. Because I was just going to take it for an easy ride around the block. And, well, that didn't work out very well, did it? So, anyway, I can't find the battery hold down for this. So, instead of buying one of those pre-manufactured ones, I'm going to make my own. I got a piece of flat metal. It's be pretty basic. It's just quarter flat steel 1/8 inch. That's all I really need. Got a couple pieces of allthread, some wing nuts, and I had to buy these anyway. I was running out of self dampers because I need some. And what I'm planning on doing is I'll heat those up and bend them over so I can make J hooks, because that's how this is hooked up, right? J hooks down here. Now then, that'll keep it from going side to side. So what I'll do, move my tool down there, but I'll slide it up against here where it's got these little ridges where it kind of goes, and then back here, now granted it does have these ones on it, but this is a little different battery. So I'm going to take me a piece of angle and put it right here, screw it down the battery box, and that'll hold the battery from going back and forth. And then I might want to do it the other way around though, actually looking at it, because of where those holes are at. I might want to put a piece on each side in the center of the battery on this here. Now I know a factory one, it has this on it too, so I'll incorporate this on it. And that's just to help hold it to the truck. So we'll get into this and hopefully I can get everything done. Shouldn't be much. I mean, drilling a couple holes, cutting a little bit of metal, doing some measurements. I mean, this is all pretty straightforward. I'm not really going to do a how-to video. I'll just kind of do a video of now and then probably in the middle where I got everything cut up and ready to go in, and then we'll bolt everything in. So we'll be back. Okay, so here's what we got right now. We got that piece there, this piece over here just screwed down, and then now I gotta get me a piece that's just a little wider than this, than the battery here, and I gotta cut that out of that flat bar, and then I gotta bend my J hooks. So we'll be back. Well guys, things aren't working the way I want them to. Let's turn around and take a look at some stuff. Okay, so we have the map gas, right? I got this allthread. Quarter 20 allthread. Cheap ass steel. Heat it up. This one's still too hot to touch. No, not too bad. Ow. But you can see I just colored it. I heated it up so much and it just snapped off when I tried to bend it. Just snapped off. I have bent many all thread. So I gotta figure out something else, because I gotta have something as a J-hook. I really don't want to buy a J-hook. Anybody got any suggestions? I mean, I guess I could hook it on there and run that down, put a bolt in it, come up, bend the steel, hopefully that won't snap, bend the steel over to at least this one, and maybe I can get it bolted or something. I don't know, but a freaking crappy steel. I can't believe this. I've never had all thread snap like that. We'll be back. Okay, so we have the finished product. It wasn't exactly the way I wanted to do it, because I said that all thread was snapping on me. I finally got one of the pieces to bend for me, but I had to heat the fuck out of it, and then ease it slow, heat it up, bend it. I mean, it's crappy. It's just crappy steel. But let's see what we got. This is pretty good, and I'll probably take it apart and insulate it, but this is what we're looking at right now. So we got the all thread rod down there with the hook on it, and wing nut, because you know me, I love wing nuts. I got this around, I got it bolted there. So it's bolted on this side, comes up, holds the battery on that side from falling that way. And then over here, all it's got is the all thread, but it's pinched down pretty good. That battery ain't going nowhere. So I can really twist that in there. But yeah, that battery ain't going nowhere. I mean, I'm moving the fender. So no more batteries falling over. I might not even insulate. I might pull it out and paint it, but shit ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, I got about 30 minutes to eat, set my live up, and go live for you guys. So I'll probably post this tomorrow, this video, and hopefully y'all like it. I'll have to put it together after the live and stuff and get it ready for upload for tomorrow, which would be Tuesday. So pretty soon I'll be driving red back and forth to work. Alright, later guys.